guys, I hope all is well. This is Akaya coming at you. I wanted to come at you guys with a new product that I have. It is called a snake. I got it from Amazon. I will provide the information in the video description box. It is Kelly's Collection 5 times Metal Drain Clog Remover. I have been having problems with my tub. I like to shampoo my hair in the shower. So hair is in the tub. I have used Drano. It's going down all right, but not really. So we are going to try these. Let's see what it comes inside of. It's a 30-inch ultra long upgraded. I'll braid the back of it. Make sure you braid the back for the easy steps. It say make sure that you bend the Velcro area to make it come out a lot better. So let's go ahead and get it open. Look at it. Okay guys, so we got it open. It's grand total 5 of them in here. Okay, 5. Let's see. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. Again, you get 5 of them. You want to be able to pull the hair out like this. So like once you get this all in the actual drain sink, you're going to just pull it out like this. Okay, and this is metal Velcro. This is where the hair is going to stick. And it said kind of give it a good bend. Okay guys, let's go ahead and try it.
I just wanted to show you guys how I put Drano in is working, but not really working. See how it's still coming up and not going down properly. And I cannot stand for the shower water to be in the tub as I am taking a bath. I hate that. So let's go ahead and try this. Clean it. You cannot reuse these, y'all, okay? They're not expensive at all. Stick it in there. Move it around. And if you keep on still having problems with it not going down, just keep doing it. You'll see a difference. Like I told you guys, I did put Drano on it. And Drano did make it go down a little bit, but nothing like what came out earlier. And I'm just doing a reenactment because I actually got a whole bunch out, but unfortunately I did not have it on video. So I wanted to make sure I showed you guys the tub, and you can see how good it is. Super good. And just go ahead and throw it away. And make sure you use gloves too. Okay? Be blessed, guys. Subscribe for more. Guys, when I say I got a lot of yucky stuff, a whole bunch of yucky stuff. So yes, it works perfect. So if you're having problems with your sinks, you can also do that in your bathroom sink. I'm not having any problems with the bathroom sink, but you most definitely can use it, and it works perfect. Again, you can get this, and I'll provide you with a link in the video description box. Try it. So nice to not to have to worry about water being in my shower while I am taking a shower. And what I mean by, again, let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the tub too, y'all, afterwards. Yay! It's going down, y'all. It's going down. It's going down. Yay! Okay, I can hear it now. It's going down. Watch. Watch this, y'all. I have not heard that in a long time. More clogged drain. Yay! Hear that sound? That means it's all going down. Let me give you a bonus clip because I've been having problems with this not coming up properly. Let's try this. Wow, look at that. All that hair. Guys, I am loving this. I've seen a couple different ones, but I feel like to me, since it has that Velcro on the end, you really can get stuff up. Oh yeah. Yeah, you'll be so amazed how much hair gets stuck inside sinks. Okay, let's try it one more time.
And like I said, y'all, if y'all able to take these little things off, that would even be better. I'm not good with that. And like I said, hubby sleep, so. Okay, y'all, let's see. Yeah, we got it. Okay, now we got it. And I wound up using 3. And like I said, do not reuse them. They're not reusable. Look how easy that's going down. I didn't really have problems with this one, but I felt it sometimes. So, okay, guys, hopefully that helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye, guys. And if you tried this, or if your sink is all full, let us know in the comments. Once you get it all nice and unfull, and it goes down like this, we want to see it. Bye, guys. All unclogged.